Hi everyone, my name is Kirsty, and before I show you how easy it is to create this quilt block here using the design centre on your XV Dream machine, I'd just like to let you know that this tutorial video is also available on my USB tutorial, which you can watch directly on your machine or on your computer as well. And I've also included on that USB tutorial two design collections, Dream Hearts and Kirsty's Dream Quilt, both designed by myself. Dream Hearts is a collection of 4 designs that coordinate with this heart block here. And Kirsty's Dream Quilt is all of these quilt blocks here within the one collection. The Dream Hearts collection, which includes 4 coordinating heart block designs, and the second one is Kirsty's Dream Quilt collection, which includes 10 quilt block designs. Also on that USB stick is a printable PDF tutorial booklet. As you can see here, it's got lots of pictures and step-by-step instructions in there for you, which show you how to create this quilt block here that I used on the pocket of this bag. And there is also a video tutorial with step-by-step instructions to coordinate with that PDF tutorial booklet. Open my design centre, and the first thing we need to do is set our embroidery frame display to use as a guide to make sure that any shapes that we add onto our screen, that they are going to stay within the size of the hoop that we're going to use when we actually stitch out our quilt block. So I go to my settings menu at the top of the screen here, and I'm going to use the 8x8 inch hoop. So all I do is scroll along until I find my 8x8 embroidery frame display. The final shape that I want to add in, I want to put something decorative in the centre here. And I'm going to go back to my shapes, but this time I'm going to use one of the open shapes. And I'm going to use this ram's horn style spiral pattern here. I can now zoom out, and we can now see that I have all the shapes in that design that I wish to use for this quilt block. So the next thing we need to do is start adding some fill patterns to this design. I'm now going to press preview just to see what my design looks like. And this now shows you what the design is going to look like as an embroidered design. So you can see at the top here you're starting to get your embroidery properties, your stitch counts, your time, the number of colour changes. And at this point I could now save the design into the memory and then go back to the design centre and carry on designing more blocks, or press embroidery and stitch out my design.